Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing up. First, open the Facebook app and click on your profile. From there, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Now click on Settings again. After that, click on Search bar and type the following. Once you have typed it, two options will appear. Select Help Center for Dating. Now, you will see multiple options there. Click on the first option, which is Facebook dating. After that, select any of these problems and then click No. After that, select the solution doesn't work. Now, you will see a box there. Now type the following in that box and select Submit. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and share it with friends. I will see you in the next one, and thanks for watching.